Okay, 957 Cayenne really labors to start, or we'll only start with a jump box on it. Testing to confirm the issue. Obviously starts in here. This is where the battery is located. Voltage drop tests on the ground and the positive side show about a 1.2 volt voltage drop, which is super high. Wires were good, so less than 300 millivolts from the negative to the frame, so negative terminal battery pole to the frame. Less than 300 millivolts from, let's see if I can get on the ground and show you where the alternator wire is located. Lighting is super poor, so sorry about that, but that's where it hits the frame. It goes up to the alternator. By the time it hits the alternator, we're looking at a 400 millivolt voltage drop max, which is not great, but acceptable. You got to pull the intake manifold to get to the starter, but bottom line is, at the starter case, 1.1, 1.2 volts voltage drop. On the positive side, same deal. So up to the junction, very low, very minimal voltage drop. So less than 100 millivolts on the positive side. The moment you pass the junction to hit the starter, 1.1, 1.2. So the starter's pulling way more amps than it should. It may not be grounding to the block properly as well. Bottom line is cleaning up the mating surface at the block and throwing a new starter at it should be sufficient to solve the problem.